Alexandre's about to start.
So they're both using magnet cubes, right?
Yeah, that's a new thing.
That's interesting, yeah. Alright, everybody's silent. There he goes. Alright, 7-5-2. Next up is Drew for his first solve. Making many cube rotations during inspection there.
Yeah, I did. He made a slight mistake on the OOL.
9.03.
Did he just make a cross mistake? Did I see him do M2 to M2 to fix a cross?
Yeah, he did. Looks
to go. Alexandre for his second solve.
Wow. 5-9-1.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Already got a 7 and a 5. I mean, if he's gonna do another really good sub-7 solve, that's gonna be counting.
Yeah, that's really good.
Drew
a little
with
pause on the POL
8.58.
starting and a bit of a lock up.
Right, 2 down, 3 to go. Hmm. 776. All right, Drew for his third solve.
It's a kind of nervous solve.
11
Drew
flat.
with an 11.0.
Alexandre for his fourth solve. Wow.
Nice.
7-4-2.
Alexandre with a 7.42.
Can get right now.
Drew with an
8-6-8 for Drew.
8.68.
Last solve.
That's the slowest time.
Alexandre with an
8:55.
8.55.
So his average is 5:57, I guess.
Oh, what?
That's a really good average for him, isn't it? I don't think he expected to do that good. Drew on his last solve. Wow. There you go.
Drew with a
6.55.
6.55. Yifan with an 8.77.
Oh.
9.6.
Yeah. They do have the same scramble, so everybody has the same scramble on the first solve, everybody has the same scramble on the second solve.
Okay.
Have we seen like a difference between the scrambles so far? Like, do you think there's particularly
Yifan with an 8.76.
Getting ready. There he All right.
869.
869. Focus on yourself.
No, you would get nervous.
You would, right?
Yeah.
$7.53.
You found with a
First seven there.
7.53.
He's speeding up.
All right, Rainier's voice has left us for a moment. He needs a sip of water there. Okay, Michal going for his third. $8.42.
Michal with an 8.42.
Oh.
You found with a 7.97.
Michal really taking his time. I think that's a good thing. Don't get yourself stressed out. Take your time. You got 1 minute to get ready, remember? Nobody takes that long.
Ooh, 824.
Final and last solve for Yifan Wu.
You found with an 8.30.
Moment. Final and last solve for Michal. Oh,
10.43.
Michal with a
10.4.
10.43.
Former world record holder as well. Starting off.
Wow. 657.
657. Oh! What just happened?
So that's a timer of malfunction, or is...
Oh. Oh, 8
Oh, that's unfortunate for him.
Hooker with
Oh,
an
that's really
8.14.
unfortunate for him.
Let's see what Lucas does.
That really gets you off guard, though, as a competitor. Also doing 2 souls in a row. I mean,
Yeah.
discussing with the judges.
Wow.
6, 2,
Lucas with a
3.
6.
Some cases it's really easy to see, but not at all. Definitely not at all. Well, unless your name is Philip Wire, apparently. That's what he told me. He can always predict the PLL at his OLL. That's crazy. All right, Seung going for a second solve.
That's
Yeah.
really nice.
696. All right, third solve, important one here. Is he going to continue this streak, or will we see some hesitation, some nerves maybe? Oh, yeah, there was a little luck up there.
Yeah.
Did you see
Yeah,
that?
problems on the sport pair.
7.6.
Yeah,
Nice.
640
640.
for the title maybe now. I mean, 2 attempts at another 6, and then it's probably in the pocket.
Okay.
It looks 761. I mean, it's crazy
Lucas
fast,
with a
but it's
7.6.
So
really
it's
not
okay.
what he
So
needs.
there's no +2.
doing some last minute rotations there. Maybe he's not really sure of his cross.
Ooh, slight mistake, cost him half a
Seung with
second.
7.58.
It's like the perm you get at home. It's really fast, and in competition, it always kills you for locking up. Because of this double flick, I mean, they're prone to error.
Okay, so
7.56. That's
Lucas
solid.
with a
That's solid.
7.56.
Solve better than 6.40.
Wow. 6.52.
Seung with a 6.5.
Lost.
We kind of lost. Let's see if Mats can do it on his own better than we could do it with the three of us. Here he goes up for his first solve.
Wow.
Yeah,
Mats with a
6.06.
6.06.
Colorblind, or is there another reason?
No, just because he's colorblind.
I guess your voice is cracking again. There goes Kevin. Oh, that does not look good. No, 8.99.
Kevin with an 8.99.
Oh, no. That's not good. No,
Mats with an
8.42.
8.42.
3 souls left. And Kevin for his second. You could see it was shaking there, right? Oh, yeah. The nerves.
9.34.
Yeah, will we see that baby powder again before one of the last souls? That's a question we have in here right now. All right, Mats. All right, 707.
Mats
That
with a
was really close to
7.07.
being 708. Well, at least we answered one of the first question we asked ourselves. Is 708 average enough to win? Well, we already know it's not.
That's
All right.
better.
Yeah, there he
Kevin with a
goes.
7.35.
7.35.
Get used to the atmosphere. All right, Mats. Solve number 4. No.
Mats is gonna be out.
Mats with an 8.83.
The baby powder again. Oh. 774.
Kevin with a
You
7
really
point-
could. Oh well, nothing to lose here. Oh,
827.
So Patrick has to wait a little bit. There goes Max. Wow.
5.87.
Max with a 5.87.
Wow. Got a 6. Max got a 5. And Lucas also got a 6. So maybe that's not the worst.
Wow.
Wow.
Patrick with a 5.47.
Wow. 5.47. Is that the fastest solve of the competition so far? Wow. In the finals, that's really amazing.
A 7-1-7.
Max with a 7.17.
Let's see if Patrick can do a better continuation of that 5 than Max did. Little luck there. Oh, that's unfortunate.
Yeah,
840.
Max with a
7-3-9.
7.39.
Because that would be counting, you know?
Yeah, 6-8.
Patrick with a
6-88.
6.88.
Max coming up for 4th. That looks good.
Yeah, 6 flat. 6
Max
flat.
with a 6.00.
Let's see what Patrick can do here. He already has a counting 6, you know? Oh.
It's okay.
761
Patrick
is
with a
okay. No plus 2
7.61.
there. I think it was. I'm not really sure, but it looked like some moves that like he was doing the D moves. I think it was an E perm.
Max with a 7.76.
Well, he's gonna be happy with that single anyway. I mean, that might give him some money. Ooh. I guess not.
Yeah.
Patrick with an
8-3-6.
8.36.
He really had problems with the cross.
All right, Feliks up for his first solve. He's color neutral, so I'm really interested in what his first cross color would be. I guess it's blue. Oh, 827.
Feliks
He
with
is
a
happy with that.
8.27.
Not good with that. He also opted for the blue cross. 618, but is that okay? Is that okay?
It's okay.
Yes, it is.
So they
Bill
both
with a
started on blue and
6.18.
matted.
I mean, everything is still possible for Feliks. He only has to do 4 really good solves. Only. Oh, 8.10.
Feliks with an 8.10.
Wow. That's a surprise. I mean, is he out already? That's the question. I mean,
Yeah, I need like 3-5.
Bill for number 2. No, that's not good.
877.
That's not good. 877.
Bill with an
SPOL was really
8.77.
lucky. So
Bill managed to do really good solves after that. So let's see how Bill copes with the pressure. Feliks for 3.
all right, 655.
655.
Feliks with a
It didn't look like it would be
6.55.
faster than a 655.
only in a t-shirt while Feliks is wearing his sweater. I mean, it's quite cold here, so.
Whoa,
677.
677.
8.10.
Oh, 705.
705.
Felix.
Oh,
846.
Bill with an
846.
Oh, now then it's
8.46.
counting.
And
for
that's
him.
counting.
Last saw Feliks Zemdegs.
That's a good soul.
668.
668, but
Felix
it's
with
not
a
enough. It's not enough.
6.68.
Decided.
$742.
Max Park is the one to win this World Championship.
Max Park.
And Seung